Hello everyone, my name is Najwa Safiyya. So for today, I will represent about reflection meeting. So I as a leader that QA tester and implementation lead for package P004, which is Chapa Management. So in Chapa Management at QMS Flow project, that my official team leadership took place like during task 2, which is system documentation. And then my individual leadership extend throughout the entire life cycle, where I assume that personal accountability for the system self-correction mechanism. So my philosophy for this project was centered on securing that 100% data integrity through linear precision, a principle that ensure every line of code I wrote directly support company XYZ survival in the international market. My first leadership challenges like was translating a crisis into a code, like company XYZ SDM PhD was facing, and approaching threat to its ISO certification. They rely on fragmented shared drive and manual log that leading to miscalibration dates that already flagged as non-conformity. I took the lead in analyze this operation like operation failure to define specific function requirement, which is for use case 007 and use case 008. So I didn't just want a digital form, and I want a single source of truth where every quality failure is linked to a verified root cause, that ensuring that company XYZ never repeat the same mistake twice. During the implementation phase, like I managed the 3-week sprint for the Chapa module using HTML and JavaScript in Visual Studio Code, and also my primary technical innovation was the validator interceptor. So in a manual system, an employee might leave a brief declaration blank during the update train. To prevent this, I do some logic log that this is just not a code. It is a governance rules that physically block that system from having a blank record on the centralized repository, that ensuring that 100% compliance before the data layer is even reached. And furthermore, I developed the digital traceability link that automatically bridge the customer complaint module to the Chapa module, establishing the audit trail requirement for ISO ready documentation. Leadership in software engineering, like it's often about the discipline to say no. And as the leader QA tester, I altered the and also executed TC007 and also TC008, which is I demonstrate technical by enforcing the exception flow like TC1, TC008. And also in this scenario, if a quality manager attempt to close a Chapa without providing a verification date or evaluator name, so my system trigger an exception error alert and execute a return statement to block the status change. Additionally, I designed the alternate flow logic for TC008 where if an action is verified as not effective, the system automatically reopen the record and log the failure in the master activity tray. This ensures that the system is self-policing and also sustainable. In conclusion, my leadership in the QMS Flow project, like transform company XYZ from a manual, high-risk manufacturer into a modern digital powerhouse. By establishing a secure centralized repository, we have protected their intellectual property and also quality data for years to come. And also, I am proud of the linear precisions I brought to this team. So the QMS Flow is more than just a software. It is a structure that helps to ensure that company XYZ never hide operational stability and international client trust. Thank you for watching.